Aino Bakrapuro second Wangala festival onaha aro All Assam Garo Cultural Society organize kha daude the final day aro conclusion day angari baha aro ino banga achik banderang aro gentang group day ibaha gentang place ni aro anga enjoy kha harvesting festival Wangala festival celebrate kha aro anga request kha asamo jabo manderang donga achik mande donga non achik manderang donga gamukkan Wangala festival de harvesting festival gamukkan Wangala festival ko celebrate khana mangen aro unitedly Wangala festival je only Garo festival hi hoija gamukkan tribal non-tribal celebrate khana mangen it's a harvesting festival enjoyment moment aro asamo angni adok Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma 9 November tarikho Wangala festival ni state holiday declare kha anga Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ko methala
Hey!